So for the past 2 weeks, I've been in a little bit of a rut. I've been missing my daily uploads. I haven't been consistent with some of the self-improvement habits. I've literally been inconsistent with going to the gym. I've been missing a few days here and there, which is very shameless if you think about it. I literally have the best genetics in the world. Nigerian genetics, black. And somehow, despite all of these gifts that I've been given, I'm not capitalizing on them. Think about it. There's probably some white dude, some American white dude who goes to the gym every single day, has the perfect workout schedule, plans his diets perfectly, is watching that scientific YouTuber. I don't know anything about fitness YouTubers. He's watching all of that. He's doing everything to get the best physique, and he's putting all his faith in this one goal. All of his effort, everything. And sure, he gets a pretty good physique. But it's nowhere close to the goal he wants, just because he was a little bit unlucky. He still looks good, don't get me wrong, but for the effort he's putting in, it's not fair. That's all it can amount to. It's just unfairness. He's unlucky, boo-hoo. So for me, he was the best genetics ever to not be capitalizing on them. It's quite shameless, right? It's bad of me. But in this period, I've actually learned a few things. Now I'm out of it. I'm going to be posting consistently again. I'm changing my schedule, not every day. I'm going to go to the gym consistently. I'm going to get into the flow of things now. But I have learned a few things, and I want to share with you some of the lessons. The reason I haven't been posting is simply because, and we can just sum this up to laziness, I've been focusing on school, on working on a musical composition, learning some music. I've been hanging out with friends more often. But I've just been slacking on this one area of life, which is just an excuse, because in that entire period of 2 weeks, of course I had time to record a 15-minute video, obviously. But I can't reverse the past, so this is what happened. I basically just spent time doing things that I didn't really need to do. I should have been recording the videos, and I didn't. I focused more on hanging out with friends, preparing for a sports tournament I have coming up, etc. YouTube was getting a little bit boring, a little bit stale. I was doing it every day. I got a bit irritated from it. One of my family members got hospitalized. Things kind of just made me not want to do YouTube. And then, actually, today, two of my friends, they were hanging out, doing whatever, I don't know, and they sent me like an entire 3-minute voice message. And they were telling me, come on, Prince, you haven't been uploading. Upload a video today. And like this entire motivational speech about how I need to upload and how I should do it right now. And I just want you to think about that for a second. Imagine two of your friends who you know personally are literally looking at your content and then telling you exactly what you should be doing. And if you don't do it in real time, they'll exactly know that you haven't done it. There's no hiding from it. The channel is public. Imagine how helpful, how beneficial that is. And you're in this period where you're kind of lazing around, and they spend like 3 minutes trying to make a voice message to get you back on your feet. Imagine how helpful that is, how much you'd actually improve if you had that sort of accountability. If it wasn't for them, I probably wouldn't have even uploaded today. Like right now, I'm meant to be in a taxi. I'm about to meet someone. But I've delayed it. And no, I'm not late to the meeting. It's going to happen later, obviously. You don't want to be late to things. The point is, the only reason I'm here today is because two of the friends that I made right now told me I needed to upload. And if I didn't, they'd know. And of course, that would really impact my conscience. If you make friends, like good friends, not these friends you make in school where you make them in school just because you were kind of lucky, you were young at the time, and then you don't really want to leave them even though they are disrespectful to you and always rude to you. And you can't really make any new friends. You're kind of antisocial, you're an introvert. So you're kind of just stuck with these people. Not those things, not those people. I mean actual friends who want you to grow. If you make friends like that, and they keep you accountable, bro, I'm telling you, the places that you can soar to exponentially increase. Because now you have someone keeping you accountable, right? Like if you say, I am going to do this, I'm going to go to the gym every single day. If you don't do it, they well know. Someone in real life who you know is going to know about your failures. Doesn't that just hurt you? Like it's just a stab. It's a stab wound. It hurts if someone you know sees how you fail. Obviously. So you need, and I'm telling you, you need to level up your social skills. You need to be able to make these good friends. You can't just leave it up to life to blow these good people in your direction. You need to step up and actually do it. Do you understand? You need to do it, and you can't just wait. There's no waiting. A lot of people want to wait. Oh, I'll just wait until some day, some random day. I'll wait until Friday before I start trying to talk to people. Oh, I'll wait until the weekends, then I'll have free time. Then I can go outside, I can meet new people. You can't be waiting. You have time. You can do it right now. Don't wait for life to blow these good people in your direction. Learn social skills. Learn to talk to people now. Make these good friends. And once you do that, I'm telling you, you will become so much better in every single endeavor. You want to start learning a sport? Tell your friend. Now they'll keep you accountable. Because if you don't, they will know. And I'm telling you, they will insult you. Another thing, during this period of not really doing what I was meant to do, I never once stopped practicing my social skills. I was still constantly, whenever I got the opportunity, talking to people. I'd go to class in my school and I'd be fist bumping everyone before class even began. I was still very social during this time. And that's the funny thing. Being social is it's a lifestyle. It's not just something you learn and then you quit and you can just talk to anyone you specifically want to and you just really never do it. It's something you need to constantly do every single time you get the chance. And I've been doing that. That's how you level up. That's how you keep the skill. Because of course, if you don't keep doing it, you lose it. But here's something interesting. Even with that being said, I haven't gotten the opportunity that much. Specifically to do, some cold approaches, talking to women. I haven't gone outside enough. And I realized you only get these new experiences when you go outside. You can't, and I mean, this is kind of self-explanatory, but I didn't even think about this. You can't improve your social skills unless you go outside. You can't even meet new people unless you go outside. There's no one new inside of your own house. You need to actually go outside into the real world. What I'm trying to say is it's not enough to just go to the gym and then call it a day. Okay, you kind of talk to a few people on your way to the gym, the end. It's just not enough. You need to be outside more. You need to go outside to do something. If you stay inside the entire time, your social skills will be reduced. Because you just won't get as many opportunities. Even if you take every opportunity, you need a lot. Now, I'm not telling you to just go outside randomly. Of course, you need a reason. But that's why, when you do go outside, you need to make some friends. Because if you make friends, then you can invite them to go outside, and now you have your reason. Isn't that just the cool thing? I wouldn't just go outside randomly. I'll just go outside now. And just walk randomly, not knowing where I'm going. That's kind of boring, it's dull. I don't want to do that. But when you bring a friend into the equation, now it's like, well, this is just a fun day out. Me and my friend are talking. We may find something fun. I may meet new people. Now it's actually a cool thing. So next time you go to like school or work or wherever you go, just talk to the people there and actually invite one of them out. You can literally just be like, oh, bro, do you go to the gym? And if they say, yeah, just say, come to the gym with me next time. You can hit a workout together, and then you'll get their number. You hit a workout together, and then you just message them the next day after the workout. By the way, today I'm going to do X. Come join me. Now you have someone new to hang out with. It's that easy. Like, people try and play it out as if it's some sort of difficult thing. It's not that simple. I'm telling you, if you can get over this nervousness and you are confident, it really is that simple. All it takes is confidence. That's it. I hope this video helped you. I'm sure my speaking skills weren't as good as they normally are. I've probably been rambling on a little bit too long. But I'm sure you can understand the main point of the video. Check out the top link in the description, the social protocol. You'll learn exactly how to get from level 0 of socializing, where you can't talk to anyone, to level 2. Where you can talk to any man at any time, no matter what. You can make friends and you can build brotherhood. This type of friendship where you won't get betrayed. These people actually care about you. These people want you to improve. They keep you accountable. That's the level I want you to get to. Remember, consistency is over a lifetime. Bye-bye.